This is NQ weekly chart, and if you look at it, there is this big order block that's resting, bullish order block. What did the price do last week? Traded into this order block and then finally closed above it, right? Just looking at this chart, this price action looks bullish, right? Now let's just get back to this daily chart. So if you look at daily, here is the low and the high, the dealing range on the daily, and what the price did after the sell-off that we saw last week, came to the discount, run this low, and then from there started to sort of move higher, right? And now this particular area is a fair value gap on this daily, and this is yesterday's candle. The price traded back to this, and now it's starting to expand. All right. So again, when I'm looking at it, and I'm looking at this order block as well, since this is traded already above it, and this order block has been respected even with this, and if you just look at the bodies are just at 50%, right? So all of that to me looks bullish price action, and this was just a retracement. Now coming to 4-hour chart, here is what's really important here. The fair value gap that we see here is really this particular candle, this big green candle got generated after the FOMC last week, right? So for the bullish thesis to be intact, what's extremely important is the price continue to move higher, something like this, right? What we don't want to see is a price closing below this on this 4-hour chart, all right, and invert this SOMC. That would be bearish to me. But till that happens, based on everything that we have, looks bullish. And once it closes above this as an inversion, right now it's a bearish fair value gap, but once it closes above it, it will be a bullish inversion. And after that, you see this is going to be a low resistance liquidity run, because there's a lot of liquidity resting out here, and this anyway is all-time high, right? So after that, the chances of you making all-time high increases tremendously. All right, so this is a very quick sort of overview of what we can expect going forward and what are the critical areas for us to watch. Similarly, if I go and look at the ES, this is the ES weekly chart. ES relatively is even stronger than NQ. Again, very similar. This is the bullish order block, traded to it, expanded again. Here is daily, and daily again, if I just draw a dealing range from this low to this high, it actually gotten maybe a tick or two this day, right, to the equilibrium. But again, if I look at the bigger dealing range from here to here, you see how this particular, let me just remove it, how the price traded back to where the discount barely crossed the equilibrium, right, and then expanded again, creating a fair value gap. And here we are with tons of liquidity resting here, right? If I look at the 4-hour chart, again, similarly, Powell's press conference is nothing but for ES. And once it closes above it, there are 2 daily highs here, and then, all-time high here. So all that would be inside, all right? So this is again a very quick rundown looking at these higher time charts to identify what the critical PD areas are and liquidity levels, and then accordingly we can plan a move based on what the price presents.
Hey everyone, it's Dale here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to trade alongside me and our team of prop firm funded traders every day, then click the link below the video and hop aboard. We are looking forward to trading with you.